What is up, guys? As you can probably tell, I'm back to my usual camera. If you guys didn't notice, I was using a different camera the past couple days because my camera fell and I destroyed the lens. Here's the old one. We'll put this on the wall as like a monument of that. That was a mistake, an expensive one. So we have a new lens. We're good on the old camera. So if you guys watched yesterday's video, we got kind of, I got kind of ballsy and cut my car up a little bit, but we got the bride's seats. I took them all apart yesterday to paint the rails and let them dry overnight. And now they're all painted so we can get everything together and back in the car. Right, Travis?
Yeah, you're right.
I've been going nuts running around all freaking day getting all the odds and ends I need to get this car together for today because I really want to test drive it because tomorrow it's supposed to storm. So let's just get started by throwing the rails back on the seat and throwing them in the car. Let's get to it.
These are nice and low.
Yeah, right? Guys, since my seats were like slightly slanted, I'm literally got these like rubber bushings to raise it on the rails themselves, just to seat up just a little bit, and we should be good. So, got the driver's seat in. Now it's time for the passenger. Look how easy that was. Yes, I'm so happy I painted these. Like, I know they weren't that bad before, but just like seeing it clean with stainless hardware it all adds up, guys. Spend a good half hour trying to find freaking bolts for these and getting them in. It's time to put the harnesses in, which can be a pain in the ass, and I think it's going to be in this situation since the seats are already in, but I'm excited to see how they look with the green Takatas in here. I want to put this back on the ground. So this morning I actually went out and got my front wheels balanced. Now the rears you don't really notice as much, especially with the drift car. Where'd I put them? But the front tires got them balanced, so when I do take this for the first test drive, it's nice and smooth. I had to remember if I knew how to wrap the cage again, and I did, so I'll show you in the passenger seat. But the side belts just use like the OEM seat belt hole, which is really easy, and then some like weird mount in the corner, which is a pain in the asshole to get to. So I might have to lengthen the harness. I still got to tie them up in the rear, but hopefully it's long enough. But I don't think it's gonna be because I'm a tall bitch. There we go.
Oh, nice.
Literally, guys, if I eat a cheese Danish before a drift event, I'm fucked.
Didn't work.
It's drivable, so we're good. What I really like about the Takatas versus the Corbeaus is that it's done.
Single clip. Nice.
So this is the harness, obviously. There's no bolt or anything on it. It just wraps around the cage, almost like a helmet strap. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be going under, I think this is the right way to do it, through the buckle, pull it through, and then back through the other side of the buckle. Snug it up, and there it is. That's it. Now, obviously we have to adjust slack when we need it, and we gotta tie this up nice, but we'll just leave it there for now. We're in, I got my shifter in finally. We got that all set. I found new bolts for it, so we're good. I ordered a new shifter boot and retainer because mine like completely got destroyed. Now it's time I gotta throw lug nuts on it, tighten a few things up, and we gotta get this running right. I don't know why it's not running well, but we're gonna figure it out right now. The car was on E, and it's old gas, so I filled it up with like 5 gallons of fresh 93, so hopefully maybe it's just that. I don't know, it's never that easy though. Let's figure it out. It's running half decent now. What did I do? I started an hour ago and I was running like ass.
Fresh.
That's what I did. I did change. I put gas in. That's what I did do. All right, so I guess it was the gas. All right. Awesome. I'm amazed at how little play there is in the steering column. Like, this is not even play. Look at it. This is the tightest steering I've ever felt, dude. Isn't that so weird?
I'm jealous, dude.
Usually you get like this like little like couple mils of just like slop. This is like, it feels like the steering wheel is connected to the wheels itself. Fans kicked on at 180, which is sick. Technically you want your fans around the same temperature as your thermostat. You don't want them to fight each other. So it's been idling for probably 20 minutes now. Yeah, no hiccups. We checked the timing from when I just roughly set the manual sensor by high, and we were off by 5 degrees. That's pretty good. That really explains why it's been idling so smoothly. I'm gonna check the TPS in a little bit, but
I like them.
you like them?
What do you think?
Did your bum fit?
Does your butt fit?
Barely.
I think your butt's bigger than mine. And mine's pretty tight. My hips are
I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I actually have to take my belt off to fit like comfortably, but it's okay. They'll break in, maybe.
Your belt?
You look good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, what? DJ's here.
Yes.
What is going on, Donald? I'm
What's
happy
good,
you decided to
guys?
show. And on a Monday. Wow.
I know, this is rare.
Just do a nice hit for me. Just come on.
A nice hit?
Yeah. Oof.
It's been a while.
Donald, what are you breaking? What are you breaking?
I didn't break anything. My tire caught my fender and like...
A little bit of duffage. It's okay. You fixed it pretty nice with that hammer.
Right?
I'm losing daylight. We gotta move this damn car. I just cleaned out everything from underneath it. We're gonna drop it once we get the jack back from Donald. And we're gonna pull her out, guys. I can't find my freaking toe plates anywhere. I don't know where they go. They stay being lost, but I'm gonna put it around on a bad alignment with these grippy tires, so it's probably gonna wanna like you know, bind itself to death, but let's just send it.
They took a lot of time getting all the areas.
Watch out, though.
This is best paint in Europe, bro.
What time is that?
It's no, like it's drive the car time. It's actually 7.
Oh no, I know.
Just hard to take. Keep going. Almost there. Right there. Right. Good.
Oh, little puppy, come on.
Go. Oh, he's fast. He's not fast.
Guys, so the motor mounts are like super stiff. That's weird. The seat's super tight. The clutch is surprisingly forgiving. Like it's actually like not bad to drive at all. And I need to fix my alignment. Gotta get tuned, but that was a huge accomplishment just to drive across the parking lot. I know it's not that exciting, but for me, that was it. But look at this right now, dude. What do you think, Travis? Sounded healthy, right?
Yeah.
I didn't go into boost. They said I was leaking something, but I think it was just fluid in the exhaust.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see anything in here. Luckily, everything's nice and clean, so if there is a leak, we're gonna know. Are you proud of me?
Yeah, I am. That was quick.
Well, guys, obviously I just test drove. I keep talking about it, but no road driving today. Just wasn't really feeling up to it. I want to do my alignment really quick, and I want to do a few things. And there's still a few things I want to button up. I'm going to plug my Nismotronic into it, make sure it's actually registering my map sensor and my intake air temperature sensor. I'm pretty sure it's registering my map sensor because of the way it's running, but we should be all set. I'm so excited this car is like really back together. It's almost there. What I have to do now to make myself feel safe is to make an intake, because I just had an open turbo and I can easily get pebbles and stuff in there. I don't want to run mesh because I want colder air and blah, blah, blah. So it's a tight fit, but I have this one pipe that fits really well right here through the power steering, but I have to come up and then back over. So luckily, I got this nice L pipe, right? Looks nice, looks great. Presenting the L.
The L. Now it's the L.
I decided this is a good angle, right? That looks good. We're gonna cut it. We got this pipe cut, so this is gonna bring us up to here. So now we have to loop back down. Oh. Drew 2, what are we doing on this thing tonight?
What are we doing on this thing tonight? Putting the clutch back in. We don't have a turbo yet, so hopefully we'll go get that tomorrow and install that. And so yeah, clutch, pressure plate, flywheel, all that fun stuff. Are you looking forward to it? Because I'm not.
We got the 2 pieces cut out, one from that U that I had and one courtesy of Drew 2.
Hey,
thank you.
Shout out to me.
So we got the outlet right there for the turbo. So we got the 45 and then the 45. I think that should do it. Then we'll have just enough room for a filter, raised up a little bit that I can kind of make a bracket to hold it up, and I think we should be all set. All right, so we're taking the clutch. They're taking the clutch off. It's supposed to be brand new. Rye said the kid did the clutch before he gave him the car, but it's always been slipping.
Always.
So
it is brand new.
Yeah, but it's always slipping. So I'm expecting to see the flywheel roasted.
Oh yeah, a bunch of hot spots.
All right, so the pipe's all marked, and we should be all set with that. But I just got the clutch out, and holy ass!
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, this thing is. flywheels.
When you learn how to drive stick on your KAT?
So Justin stopped by real quick because we were gonna check and make sure my map sensor, my intake air temperature sensor are reading correctly. I tried to plug in my computer and check myself, and I deleted my tune. So luckily Justin had the tune backed up. Rookie mistake, but we're gonna check it out.
I don't think we put it on this one. I think we did it on chips because of
So my map sensor was working, which is good. Intake air temperature sensor is still not working. I wired it correctly. We're gonna try and see if there's something up with the program. If not, it might just be my map sensor, my intake air temperature sensor. So we'll find out. But I'm happy I got the map sensor right on the right bank because I changed the bank of the breakout box. That makes sense. Brand new flywheel. That is insane. And I guess like half the flywheel bolts are like finger tight, which is not supposed to happen. Like the pressure plate bolts, if they got like somewhat finger tight, I understand because they're only 25 foot-pounds. These are like 90. Think about that. The trans is out. It was definitely a way better option to get the turbo bolts out. So I put Rye to it, and I think he's doing pretty well. Oh, you just take it with the downpipe? Perfect. Yeah. Coolant line's capped? Yeah, I thought so. It's all right.
No, it's doing good.
Ready, guys? Look at this. Look at, oh, there it is. Oh, that's the play you want to feel.
Oh yeah.
Justin got me all set up with the Nismotronics. Clicked the wrong option and deleted my tune. Luckily, Justin had a backup file. Got me all set up with that. So now I can see what my car is putting out and dial in a few things that if I want to. That is all set. And then they're all working on this together, trying to change the motor mounts because this is like the right way to do it.
This is the hackiest way.
It's the hackiest way, but it's working. It's working nice. Taking the whole freaking mount off. Hopefully that doesn't fall. So I'm excited to show you guys these motor mounts. Guys, we got the motor mount out. It's a nice motor mount, but it was stripped, so it wasn't really doing much. Luckily, I have the old ones for my car, for my SR, and they fit, so we're good. I keep forgetting I actually have this Drew stuff in it, but I have my Gretty strut brace, which actually is like really nice. I didn't want it, and I keep forgetting I have it. So I'm gonna paint these tonight, so they dry by tomorrow, and we can throw this in, and it's gonna look so good. Oh boy, engine's still hot. Fancy, huh?
You guys have to guess what color he's gonna paint it. It's gonna be chameleon. This hole. Pipe is, what is this, 2 3/4?
Just gotta make sure it fits.
Just to make sure, we'll just cut a football field out right here.
All right, now we gotta do some weird. Wow, the engine's so crooked.
We gotta pull this.
Oh wow,
I think that was 3.
And lower it.
Alright, I got you.
Oh, is that down?
Are we in there?
No, straight down, baby.
Are we in there? Oh, we're so in there.
right there's titties, dude.
Yeah.
That's right in.
It's not bad.
Hey, y'all see that?
Changed motor mounts, which is good. Went to go do the clutch, and we're all exhausted and tired because it's really late, and so we're just gonna save it for tomorrow. Right, YouTube? Yeah, that.
Zoom in on that.
Yeah. That says it all. So, I just drove the S13 today, which is sick. I mean, I didn't really go far, but I'm gonna dial in the suspension, make sure it's all solid, so I'm not have to worry about it. It's basically, you know, base map enough that I could safely drive around town, get it all broken in, do all that good stuff, fill the tank up with fresh gas because you guys saw before. We're all good. I gave Justin my piping for my intake. He's gonna weld it up for me. So I'll have the intake piping so I can drive this on the street. Like I said, I was nervous before because I didn't want anything to get into the turbo and I had no mesh to even throw on that. So once that pipe's done, put the filter on, we'll take it for a drive, we'll get it all good. This, we're doing the clutch tomorrow. I think we'll pick up a turbo and then we'll get that in and get this thing hitting. The booth mobile, and that should be all set.
That is the booth mobile.
That is the booth mobile. Drew,
He needs a window banner that says booth mobile.
Anything else you gotta say?
Beat. Tackle the rest of the clutch tomorrow. Sucks doing clutches on your back, but we out here. Finish it up tomorrow. Do the turb ski. She'll be hitting. That's about it.
We drove the S13 today.
Oh, we did drive the S13 today.
You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And DrewTube.
Tell them where to cop it. Link in bio.
Okay, so shameless plug. Get some Tuck merch in the bio. Have a good night, guys.
Flip up.